How to recover deleted videos on your iPhone, whether they were recently deleted or permanently deleted. First, open the Photos app and scroll down to the Utilities section. Tap Recently Deleted, then unlock the album using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. If your deleted video is still there, simply tap the video, then tap Recover. Your video will be restored to your photo library in its original location. If you can't find the video in the recently deleted album, check whether iCloud Photos is enabled. Open Settings, tap your Apple account, then go to iCloud. Next, Photos, and make sure Sync this iPhone is turned on. If the video still exists in your iCloud Photos library, it will automatically sync back to your iPhone. If the video was permanently deleted and isn't available in iCloud Photos, you can restore it from an iCloud backup, but only if the backup was created before the video was deleted. Keep in mind that restoring an iCloud backup replaces your current data with the contents of that backup. And that's it. That's how to recover deleted videos on your iPhone. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more iPhone tips and step-by-step tutorials.